Hi, I'm Peter from Citizen Now. Welcome to Part 2 of Learn the 100 Civics Questions in Record Time. Today, I'm sharing the next 50 questions for the U.S. Citizenship test, with the easiest answers to memorize and pronounce, even if English isn't your strongest language. Watch this video multiple times to learn quickly and stress-free. Let's go. What are two rights of everyone living in the United States?
Freedom of speech, freedom of religion,
What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance?
the flag,
What is one promise you make when you become a United States citizen?
obey the laws of the United States,
How old do citizens have to be to vote for president?
18 and older,
What are two ways that Americans can participate in their democracy?
vote, join a political party,
When is the last day you can send in federal income tax forms?
April 15th,
When must all men register for the Selective Service?
at age 18,
What is one reason colonists came to America?
freedom,
Who lived in America before the Europeans arrived?
American Indians,
What group of people was taken to America and sold as slaves?
Africans,
Why did the colonists fight the British?
because of high taxes, taxation without representation,
Who wrote the Declaration of Independence?
Thomas Jefferson,
When was the Declaration of Independence adopted?
July 4th, 1776.
There were 13 original states. Name 3.
New Hampshire, New York, New Jersey.
What happened at the Constitutional Convention?
The Constitution was written
When was the Constitution written?
1787.
The Federalist Papers supported the passage of the U.S. Constitution. Name one of the writers.
James Madison,
What is one thing Benjamin Franklin is famous for?
U.S. diplomat,
Who is the father of our country?
George Washington,
Who was the first president?
George Washington.
What territory did the United States buy from France in 1803?
Louisiana,
Name one war fought by the United States in the 1800s.
Civil War,
Name the U.S. war between the North and the South.
The Civil War.
Name one problem that led to the Civil War.
Slavery.
What was one important thing that Abraham Lincoln did?
Freed the slaves. Emancipation Proclamation.
What did the Emancipation Proclamation do?
Freed the slaves.
What did Susan B. Anthony do?
Fought for women's rights.
Name one war fought by the United States in the 1900s.
Vietnam War.
Who was president during World War I?
Woodrow Wilson.
Who was president during the Great Depression and World War II?
Franklin Roosevelt.
Who did the United States fight in World War II?
Japan, Germany, and Italy.
Before he was president, Eisenhower was a general. What war was he in?
World War II.
During the Cold War, what was the main concern of the United States?
Communism.
What movement tried to end racial discrimination?
Civil rights movement.
What did Martin Luther King Jr. do?
Fought for civil rights.
What major event happened on September 11th, 2001, in the United States?
Terrorists attacked the United States.
Name one American Indian tribe in the United States.
Apache.
Name one of the two longest rivers in the United States.
Mississippi River.
What ocean is on the west coast of the United States?
Pacific Ocean.
What ocean is on the east coast of the United States?
Atlantic Ocean.
Name one U.S. territory.
Puerto Rico.
Name one state that borders Canada.
New York.
Name one state that borders Mexico.
California.
What is the capital of the United States?
Washington, D.C.
Where is the Statue of Liberty?
New York Harbor.
Why does the flag have 13 stripes?
Because there were 13 original colonies.
Why does the flag have 50 stars?
Because there are 50 states.
What is the name of the national anthem?
The Star-Spangled Banner.
When do we celebrate Independence Day?
July 4th.
Name 2 national U.S. holidays.
Memorial Day. Christmas.
Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss our content. We upload videos every week to help you on your journey.